Product Manager here at Mayflex, and today we're going to use a Reyee ES switch to see how far we can get it to transmit to run a camera. Now we know this will be out of standards and it's just a mock-up, almost like a proof of concept, but we just want to try and see how far we can get this camera to actually transmit over one piece of Cat6 cable. So we've terminated the Cat6 cable with some RJ45. And we're going to plug the cable directly into the switch and directly into the camera, and we believe we've got about 303 metres of length of cable, so this is much further than what the actual standard of the product will say it will actually do, because it says it will do 250 metres. We know it's well out of scope in relation to any standards, but what we want to do is just see if we can get it to work. If we do, it won't prove that every single camera in every single scenario will actually work, but it gives us an idea of maybe what's achievable. So let's get into the products and see what we can do. Okay, so you log into your project, go to devices, select the switch that your camera is attached to. Go to configuration, go to advanced, go to long distance transmission, select the port, save the port. Now this port now will be taken down to 10 megabits per second. Now let's see if we can get the camera up over the 303 metre length of Cat6 external grade cable that we've got. So I'm going to hop over to the screen and we'll see if we can get an image and see if we can get a continuous ping and what sort of milliseconds it's taken to do that. So we go to the camera, the web GUI page, we type in the password, see if we can get it right first time. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? And we have, and okay, there we have it. There's an image coming through the camera. You can see the timestamp here, and that is over 303 meters of XL Cat6 external grade cable. Let's just go and have a wave. I'll turn this round for people so they can see. I think I can see down there. So I'll wave at the camera, and I'll come down and wave at the camera. So that's Reyee switch, extended distance with a Hikvision camera, and we're getting a good image. Okay, I hope you found the video useful. Some interesting information there, some interesting results. As I say, it doesn't mean that it's going to work on every single link in every single scenario and every single camera, but that's what we've been able to achieve today. I hope you found it useful. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.